tayo sa Samsung Batino, Calamba, Laguna. Mag-conduct tayo ng proactive post-office inspection sa mga ati guard natin. Tanong ako ng 11 general orders, pag makasagot sila, bigyan natin ng shoes. Dito yung shoes nila. 11 GO number 5.
With my post only with proper learning.
Snap. May shoes ka.
Thank you, sir.
Number 3.
Really all post from post or discussion.
Number 1.
Take charge of the post of government property and the service departments.
Okay. Sige. Kahit di mo nasagot yung una, nasagot mo naman pangalawa, may shoes ka. GO number 7.
Job ko no, all job na lang.
Snappy. Oh, may shoes ka na. Huwag mo nang gamitin to ha, kasi pang lalaki yan. Oh, ito na yung shoes mo ha. GO number 3.
Para tayo all post, permanent stance. Correct. Permanent stance. Leonardo for everything.
Number 2.
Work manner.
Sagot mo. Hindi mo nasagot yun. Kinakabahan ka? Huwag kang kabahan. Okay. Salamat sa sponsor si Miss Baby Garcia from Tambo, Lipa City, Batangas. Ma'am, mabuhay ka ma'am hanggat gusto mo. Life is beautiful ma'am. Salamat po.
Thank you po.